In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error code 773 on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is go into More, go to Settings, go to Account Info. Now go into Privacy and Content Restriction, go to Content Restrictions, and change your content maturity all the way down to minimal. So now you need to test your game. If it's still not working, go to Security, scroll down to the bottom, and press Log Out of all other sessions. Now all we need to do is press Log Out. So if you're still having issues, what we need to do is close Roblox, and then press the Windows key and R, and type %temp%. Press Enter, and now press the 3 dots, press Select All, and then put these in the bin. Now right click on your bin, and press Empty. Now test Roblox again. If it's still not working, what we need to do is go into Start, go to Settings, press Apps, press Installed Apps, and now search for Roblox. Press on the 3 dots, and press Uninstall. Do this on both Player and Studio. Now open a browser and search roblox.com. Open up a game. Now you need to press the blue button and follow the instructions on how to reinstall Roblox. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.